Hi, my name is Diego. This is the homework one of the topic of effective presentation workshop. We have to make a presentation. The purpose of my presentation is inform to the public about the ecosystem of the seas, the animals, and their classifications, some animals that are in danger, and a conclusion. So let's start. The name of my presentation are Secrets of the Deep. This is a common name. The content. The content are 5 points. The first one is the introductions. The second one, the type of marine ecosystem, and the next one is marine animal classifications. Then are animals that are in danger of extinction, and the conclusion. The introduction. As already know, the oceans are very important for the Earth. There are 70% of the Earth, and if we take the ocean as a organ, is like the lungs or the Earth. So this is and that's what you're going to see in the presentation about the types of ecosystems, the animals, etc. Okay, there's a lot of types that we can investigate, but the most interesting is about the intensive, intensity, intensity of light at the depth and the proximity to the coast. The first one are two: the photic, that is around 2000 meters, and the aphotic, that is more than 2000 meters. The second, that is about the coast, the proximity to the coast, is about the coast zone, marine zone, and littoral zone. Let's continue with the classifications of the animals. There are a lot, but I put for it because if I put all the classification of animals, I will never end. So there are mammals, reptiles, birds, and fishes. The mammals are like the whales, dolphins, etc. The reptiles, snakes, crocodiles, and turtles. See, fishes is very common, is very normal, it's easy. Uh, Balloonfish, sea fish, sharks, etc. And the birds, that is seagull, pelicans, etc. But let's continue with the animals in danger of extinctions. At the present, thanks to the humanity, the making hunting, excessive fishing of these animals, uh, throwing trash to the oceans affect the ecosystem and affect the fauna of the animals, that making perish, and making the and now they are in danger of extinction. Sorry. There are six. That is the seahorse. Something interesting about the seahorse is that in the process, the father is pregnant and the father have the child, the little ones. The next one is the sunfish. Something funny is that the name of Spanish is pez luna, and the name of English is sunfish. And the other name that I have is mola mola. The next one is the swordfish, like in the Nemo's movie. And next we have the blue whale, the giant blanket, and the whale shark. Okay, the conclusion. The planet have beautiful places, beautiful animals, beautiful beautiful plants, but we have to think about we do not only in the present, what we do for the future, what we'll gonna do in the future, because there's only one planet that we have, and we have to protect him, we have to save him, because in the future uh, they're going to be can be good for the future or bad for the future. That depends to us. And I have a little message for the conclusion that is very beautiful, that is very interesting. The oceans are the beating heart of our planet. On Ocean Day, let us remember the beauty, fragility, and vital importance. Together, we can protect and preserve this buried treasure for the future generations. Okay, that's all about the presentation, and see you the next time. See you later.